I'm sick of feeling stuck, all alone with my thoughts. Cause I don't like who I am on my own. And why does it feel like time's moving slow? No, this won't last forever, I know. Yeah, I know. But lately it's been hitting me hard, and I